Making money in GTA 5 Online is all about strategy and knowing where to invest your time. First off, focus on heists. The Pacific Standard Job and the Doomsday Heist can net you millions if you have a solid crew. Next, consider running businesses like the Motorcycle Club or the Gun Running Operation. These can provide a steady income stream once you get them up and running. Don't overlook daily objectives. They're quick tasks that can add up to a nice bonus. Also, participate in time-limited events and special missions for extra cash. And remember, investing in the stock market can yield big returns if you time it right. Always keep an eye on the in-game news for tips on which stocks to buy or sell. Lastly, don't forget to sell your unwanted vehicles. You can make a decent profit by selling high-end cars to Los Santos Customs. With these strategies, you'll be raking in the cash and living the high life in no time. To make serious cash as a CEO in GTA 5 Online, you need to dive into the world of businesses. First, buy an office. It's your command center. Once you've got that, invest in a warehouse for your cargo business. Stealing and selling special cargo can net you millions, especially if you sell in bulk. Next, consider the Motorcycle Club route. Biker businesses like drug manufacturing or counterfeit cash can be lucrative. Just remember to keep your supplies stocked and defend your turf from rival players. Don't forget about the vehicle cargo missions. Stealing high-end cars and selling them can bring in quick cash. Always aim for the top-tier vehicles for maximum profit. Finally, participate in VIP work and heists with friends. These missions can pay out big, especially if you're organized. Keep grinding, and soon you'll be rolling in the virtual dough.